The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description. Top 5 Best Wood Router for Router Table. Number 5. Triton TRA001. Cable routing is all about heavy-duty projects, but none of the routers that we have introduced can be called heavy-duty. That is why we prepare this beast, the Triton TRA001, for the last position. Its motor is capable of reaching as much as 3 1/4 horsepower, which means there simply is no wood that it can't cut. All you need to do is guide it properly, and it will rip through the workpiece in no time. Also, this power is supported by a 3-stage turret, allowing precise cut depths. If you worry that this machine's towering power will increase the temperature during operating, you can rest assured. Due to strategically placed side air vents, the dust intake is reduced to a minimum. So, this device does not overheat under any circumstance. Of course, as the Triton TRA001 is incredibly powerful, the creator's manufacturer put in quite a bit of safety features. One of them is the completely enclosed guard, which will protect your hand completely from the cut zone. There is also the automatic spindle lock, which makes changing a bit much safer. While the side air vents are great for temperature control, they also increase the amount of dust intake. For this reason, the dust within this machine's shield builds up quite fast. Pros motor powerful with 3 1/4 horsepower process any heavy work. Good air ventilation preventing overheating. Durable build. Enclosed guard keeping your hands safe. Automatic spindle lock for safe change bit. Cons: quick dust buildup due to the huge air intake. Uncomfortably placed handles. Expensive. Coming in number 4. Skil RT1322. One of the most vital aspects of a router is precision, as it will decide how your final result turns out. You may have the most stable hand, but it doesn't matter if your machine is imprecise. If you value the importance of precision, then check out the Skil RT1322 2.5 horsepower router combo. All the options that we introduced above have speed control, but they are all manual. This choice offers you an LCD display and purely digital speed control. As a result, there simply is no way that you can make a mistake, such as accidentally overturning the control knob. This device is quite focused on safety measures. It has a soft start function, which lets you start the cutting process in a controlled and safe state. Starting too fast and strong means that both the workpiece and the machine get damaged. With this function, the chance of a destructive start is nil. Aside from the speed control display and the soft start, it also has a live tool indicator. The indicator will light up whenever the device is powered. You should not underestimate this function, as most accidents with routers happen because the user does not realize that their router is on. We have observed that this option has one weakness: a lack of notches and markings. Also, it does not fit with bushings made by other companies. Pros: comfortable grip knobs. Fully digital speed control. Soft start function preventing destructive starts from happening. Live tool indicator letting you know whenever it has power. Cons: not compatible with other companies' bushings. Coming in number 3. DeWalt DW618. Routers operate at an incredible speed, so it goes without saying that most of them tremble a lot. Therefore, there is a high chance of your hard work being destroyed due to the trembling. You can fix this issue by getting a stable one like the DeWalt DW618 with 2.25 horsepower in variable speed from 800 to 24,000 RPM. The reason for this stability lies in the machine's integrated constant response circuit. It will automatically detect anomalies in the speed of the motor and make appropriate changes. As a result, this option is capable of maintaining a constant speed throughout the whole cutting process. The depth adjustment that this machine offers is also nothing to scoff at, as it has an interesting tech. DeWalt makes use of microfine rings for depth adjustment, which is capable of 1/64 inch increments. That's not all, you can also adjust the device vertically, allowing a constant switch location. Most of the routers on the market are not friendly to left-handed people, but this one is an exception. It lets you choose where to put the switch as well as the cord set location. As such, you can always have the best possible form to work with. You do need to be aware that this router is as fixed base as it gets, so it will not turn. Due to this reason, whenever you work on a complicated project, be prepared to regularly move around it. You should also have a respectably large working space. Pros: incredibly stable throughout the whole cutting process. High-tech integrated constant response circuit. Depth adjustment precise, allowing switch the choice between right and left hand. Good warranty comes with 3-year. Cons: not capable of turning. Taking a long time to master. Quite heavy. Coming in number 2. Makita RT0701C. Sometimes, a woodworker needs to move away from their workshop for some on-site work. If you are a mobile woodworker or contractor, you can't go wrong with the Makita RT0701C. Weighing at only 3.9 pounds, this router is less than half the weight of all other routers on this list. It also has quite an ergonomic design, improving its portability even more. The whole thing can fit comfortably in your hand, so tucking it into a suitcase to carry around is not hard at all. Despite its lightweight and small size, you should not underestimate this device. It can go anywhere between 10,000 and 30,000 RPM, letting you rip through most normal wood types. You can easily change the speed with a single touch, thanks to the dial control scheme. The shaft lock mechanism makes it incredibly simple to change the bit while you are working. However, once you have locked it in, this mechanism will also keep the bit firmly in place. As such, there is much less of a chance for an accident to happen. Of course, there must be a trade-off for such a small and portable size. The motor of this machine can only go up to 1 1/4 horsepower, which is not nearly enough for any heavy-duty application. If the Bosch 1617 EVSPK only struggles under heavy load, this machine may even break. Pros: slim and adjustable design ensuring ease of use. Lightweight, simple to carry around. Shaft lock mechanism making the bit changing process effortless. Affordable price. Great variable speed options between 10,000 to 30,000 RPM. Cons: weak motor, meaning no chance to attempt heavier woodworking projects. The temperature rises quite fast while use. Coming in number 1. Bosch 1617 EVSPK. The best option may not have the most power nor the quickest operating speed, but it must be the most versatile. In this aspect, the Bosch 1617 EVSPK will surely satisfy you with its incredible versatility. The scope of this router's multifunction is simply unbelievable. You can use it for many wood routing applications such as edge forming, bit cutting, slot cutting with little to no issue. The device is also capable of performing dovetail cutting and laminate trimming to a certain degree. While its power is certainly not the highest on this list, 2.25 horsepower is still respectable and enough for most applications. The motor is also customizable, allowing you to choose optimal speeds between 800 and 25,000 RPM. This characteristic improves its all-around quality even more. You get all the necessary components for precise fixed depth routing in the same package. There is no need to spend additional cash on things like collet chucks, collet nut wrench, or shaft wench. The biggest problem that we spotted while trying this option out is it getting quite hot under an unusually heavy load. That is why we do not recommend using it for any heavy-duty wood routing application project. As routers are dangerous machinery, you should be extra careful. Pros: incredibly versatile nature due to being a combo kit. Respectably powerful motor that is also customizable. Having all necessary components. Easy change bits. Cons: not good with heavy-duty woodworking projects. A little bit expensive.